Exactly today. How much time we got left? Oh my God. 43. Got 1 more minute left. So, I stay back, I guess. Yeah, we doing the motor flush, man. You already know this shit. I did this before. Do it again.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her man.
Alright, so we in my truck, man. I wanted to just explain. There's a lot of noise, a lot of traffic going on right now, so it's hard for me to explain, right? But I'm gonna do my best. Anyways, we're doing the motor flush again. I used the STP one, like 6 months ago or so. Now we're gonna use this Motor-Medic one, right? And we're just cleaning out this engine, right? And then I got a new filter and I got some Castro oil. And it's pretty simple, man. So now the only reason why I'm doing this is trying to clean my engine as fast as I can to give us more power, especially in the summer. So, whenever I got this compressor on, this compressor is gonna pull out some energy, and I want it to just be as clean as possible. Plus, I'm doing an oil change. So, anyways, excuse me. We ran it. I'm gonna show you. Look, 250 on the dash. All right, so we ran it for 5 minutes, and now we let it cool down. As it cools down, we're gonna just do a regular oil change. All right, regular oil change. All right, so we got the Castro Ultra Clean 5W30, and if you don't know, most cars have this cap that tells you what your car takes. It doesn't matter what brand, it just as long as it's the same fluid. But yeah, so all we're doing is gonna do a regular oil change. After that, we're gonna run the car as normal, man. This is pretty simple. It's just understanding what you're doing. I do this every 2 oil changes or so now, just to keep this car running. It's in top shape, but it's 250 on the dash, so you gotta give it up. You gotta give it up for this car, this Ford right here. And I think that's it, man. Sorry, it was just me talking, I guess. Nothing really to do. I show you everything. I was just repeating what I did before, but this is how I maintenance my vehicles, guys. Oil change and motor flush. At the moment, I was gonna throw an oil stabilizer in, but it's the summertime. I don't think I need to. All right, everything's gonna be pretty smooth. All right, and that's it. Yeah, so let's get it done. All right, let's just show you how we get it done. Clear that. Get the filter. Let me show you. See? Is it right there? And then the filter is like right up. Somewhere up there, somewhere. It's up there somewhere. I can show you really quick how you end it off. Throw this in there, turn the car on, and we're done, man.